Yes. Good day, people, wherever you are. Good day, good day. So, guys, today we do not like to waste a lot of time. As you can see, guys, our chat is it's ready as always, guys. So, without wasting my time, like what I just say, let's just try to analyze. As you can see here, if I ask a question like here, we are on weekly, because here, if you check on top here, I have only what that six time frames that I open here, which is weekly, daily, 4 hours, 50 minutes, 5 minutes, till I get what to 1 minute where I execute my trade. So here, as you can see already, what bullish here, it's weekly. So just start to analyze real quick here. As you can see, put my line here, then I'll put B here. So B, it means for that break of structure, which means we are what? We are going bullish, guys. So yeah, then I'll just take my triangle as always. I mark down here. So whenever we are bullish, if I'm marking the zone, that means they're what? The demand zone. If we are bearish, I'm marking the zones, they're what? The supply zone. So it's like this here. For those who, let's say, who remembers on last Sunday what I talk about, guys, I was saying here, what we're expecting here is for market to come all the way what to this demand zone and continue what going up, which is what bullish. But then unfortunately, market didn't come all the way to that downside. It just come and clear what IFC here, which is fair value gap. But then if we go to the what? If we go to the daily time frame, we can see that okay, market it clear what? Oh, that IFC, then it taps something, then we continue what? Bullish. Is that like yeah? So that's like how it was, guys. Yeah, you just tap something, then it continue on daily, not on weekly. Here on weekly, just say like you just say like okay, it cleared, it clear liquid, then it continued going up. That's what it is, guys. So as you can see here, so for now, as you can see, so that means bulls that are too powerful here. So what do we do if bulls are like that too powerful here? We come up here, we mark this high point here like this high point here. So basically, if you go to what to daily time frame here, you're just gonna like we just want market to give us only the bulls till we tap what this high point there where I just put in X. That's our high point there. So market it can come here. If it come here, it bounce. It will let's say it traded on that high point here. It will go all the way down to what to this demand zone here. If it get to this demand zone and give us good confirmation for bulls, we'll take those confirmation and we continue it bullish. That means definitely if we react on this demand zone, definitely that higher point is gonna break. Why? Because it's coming from what? From a mitigated zone. So that's how it is, guys. As you can see. So our thing here, market it can let's say as you can see, it started what that bullish trend. So it can come all the way like this. Let me just remove those drawings. So yeah, our high point is this one. So market it can come to if it let's say it came and it break like this here. If it breaks, we'll mark for what? For demand zone. Then we wait for market to come again the low to the low point. Then it will react. We continue bullish trend. So that's like what we're looking for on weekly. That's our analysis. They're not like too much, guys. Like we have to crack your head, say, there's to do this and this now, guys. Just have to see what's happening here. So, like what I said, just want for market to continue all the way to what? To this high point here. If let's say you're already in a trade for bullish, just stick on you get what to that high point. Then whenever it taps there, you get out, guys. You jump out because you never know. On that high point, it can just react and continue dropping till you tap out this demand zone. I'm sorry. So that's how it is, guys. So let me just remove my drawings and go to daily. So let's see what we have here on daily. So on daily again, guys, this thing is simple, guys. Very simple. You just have to know only what you're doing here. So that's let's say it calls a what? A BOS. So I'll put again a B here, then here on top like this. Sorry. Then I put again a big B, which means BOS. Then I'll come down here, take my rectangle. So it's like this here, guys. as you can see. And these zones, guys, market is respecting on the zone there, which is good. Then already, did we break here? No, we didn't break here. So let's just do like this here. Mark up here. It's too big. Let's just make it a little bit. Yeah, exactly. Good. So guys, look how beautiful it is, guys. How cool it is, guys. So on weekly, you know that okay, market it was going down and it just clear what IFC and continue going what going upside. So we are still looking for bulls on weekly till we tap what this high point. Let me just mark it here. High point. So this basically this high point is for what? So let me just mark it as high point. High point. Look, guys, how it is. But now we have to put it on top like this. So that's where I put high point, guys. On that's a high point for what? For weekly, where we are still targeting for our bulls. Look how beautiful, guys. It's beautiful, beautiful, beautiful. So if market is like this, like what happened there, let me take my highlight. Market is shaded on what? On this demand zone. So now demands that are in power, guys. So whatever we're doing, we're looking for what? For bulls, bulls, bulls. By bulls, I mean buying, buying, buying. Yes, of course, we can take what? We can take the sales, but in those sales, like we have to know where we can get off from those sales. Because if let's say you keep on holding on sales, your SL it will be hit, guys. By SL, I mean your stop loss. So here, that's how it is, guys. It's like it's cool, guys. Here. Just here, market it failed to take out what this high point here. Like let me where I put an X here, this high point, and it just go down a little bit, then it traded down not on high point. So that happened, like from my own knowledge here, it's gonna be weak. If it become weak, guys, market it will just say boom, it breaks it, then it will come out to our high point. So this like the open space that we have from our small high point here, the low high point here, we have like a small height. That height we can get a lot of buys, guys. If let's say we go to 4 hours, 50 minutes, but we will see by the time like just gonna transform from what to 4 hours, 15 minutes, everything it will make sense, guys. So as you can see here, guys, we tap here many times. So basically, what will happen here? We'll break it, then it got to our what? To our high point. If let's say by any chance, because as we are here to have like say a price from what we can see that okay, this one might happen, then we follow that what that strategy we are having, like okay, this one might happen, maybe 90% or 60%, we have to follow it. So here, if let's say it fell here, if let's say we go to 4 hours and 4 hours is telling us that, okay, we have to sell, we're just gonna sell all the way. Because here we already rated, maybe we'll just take it for 50% of this zone. That's where we will end up on here, guys. On that 50%. I think it makes sense, guys. Yeah, I know, like, if it's your first time or a second time, you don't have enough knowledge about this thing, it won't make sense. So, wherever you get close, just hit me in the comment section. You ask me any question, then I can answer you. Then, yeah, we are good to go, guys. So, that's what we are looking for at the moment. Market here, for my prediction, guys, we are going to break this high point, like this small high point, then you get what to the most high point here. Then yeah, after get to that high point, we'll see next week that okay, maybe we're gonna continue up or we're gonna go bearish for a small like for a short period of time, then we continue bullish. So that's what my prediction is. So if we go to 4 hours, then you say, okay, maybe it's on a sell. It can sell for a little bit, then we boom, we continued bullish or it can just sell. Let me put here. It can just sell, then we take it out the 50%. So it's like this on what? On daily. That's how it is, guys. But for me, I'm still gonna look for buys till to get what to the high point. Because if I switch to weekly, just see on weekly, simple things, guys. Our high point, exactly our high point, we get there, then we jump off. or if it can react where we are already, because it give us a reaction. But in this reaction, it's many times, first time, second time, third time it's gonna be weak, then boom. We close it with what? With a body closer. But body closer, I say a candle to break, then it will close inside. Because now we just break, then it closes in a week, break a week, break with a week. So if we close with that, with a body of a candle, then okay, boom, definitely we are going up, we are going up. Simple, guys. Just have a plan whereby you follow that plan, then everything will be clear to you guys. So let's see on what? On 4 hours, guys. I know it's gonna be complicated somewhere, guys. So just bear with me, guys, and ask questions. Don't hesitate, guys. Guys, look how beautiful this thing it is, guys. Are you seeing it? So it's only me. So take my rectangle too. Then I'll mark up here. Same things, guys. What I did before is what I'm just gonna do here, guys. From weekly, I will be doing the same thing, same thing, guys. And here we take it out here. We take out the low point here. Yeah, take out the low point. Then here we check out. So here it was what? And say it was a flip here. Flip you may do, then here we come with what? A good choke here. Change of character up here. So now we are bullish, guys. Guys, this thing is pretty cool, guys. Wow, look here, guys. And like this, guys. It's our supply here, guys. Then if you go to Monday. And it will come to a time, if you keep on practicing, guys, it will come to a time that you just get to a chart, you just see whatever is happening, guys. It won't take you maybe 5 minutes. You just take your pointer and a mouse, you started to analyze. Simple, guys. And you don't have to panic or to what, guys, because you are trusting your strategy, guys. So let me just take you way back to weekly. So on weekly, I say we are still looking for what? For bulls till we get what? To our high point. So it's for up. Now we left with a small gap so that we say boom. Get what? To a high point. Then daily again. I said to daily also. On daily we are reacting on what? On a high point where we say boom. We break it what? With a week. Boom. With a week. With a week. So we are not breaking with what? With a body closure. That's where we are. We're not on daily. On 4 hours, what do you see? 4 hours, we are seeing liquid, guys. Look how beautiful it is. Liquid here, liquid. It's all liquid here. How, like, what will happen when there is liquid? We're gonna clear that liquid. Simple, guys. So here, it's already showing us that those that are still having the power, and the market is still showing us that okay, we can still go more bullish, because yeah, we start from weekly. We just say it might go up, then daily again. We're like, okay, it might go up. We are not seeing any bearish, like any bears say, okay, bears, we might get a bear or what. No, no, no. Then on 4 hours, boom, there is liquid. That liquid is what? For bullish. Then okay, cool. We take that liquid gain. So it's making sense little bit. Okay, that okay, bulls now we can see like okay, now it's time to buy. Wanna buy. Look, guys, from weekly, daily, now we're on 4 hours. The buys are still showing like strong strength. I'm like, okay, we still want to go up. Okay, what do we see? Market, it came all the way here. We made a flip down here. Then we mark our zone, like our supply zone. Yeah, there was a supply zone here, guys. Yeah, we're having a supply zone here, as you can see. Having a supply zone. We flip that supply zone, then we continue going up, which means those that are still powerful. Now we are reaching on not another supply zone. This supply zone, yes, it can be powerful. Why? Because it's where the main trend started, guys. For like it started from all the way up here to give us what? A flip. Then we made a choke. Now we are hitting one on that supply zone. It gave us a reaction. Yes, we can get a reaction. Why? Because that's where the price or the trend is started. So here, market, it can give us a reaction. If it, many people like that are selling, say, oh, it's selling because we have a reaction. Then suddenly to say, boom. Why boom? Liquid up here. It took all the liquid up here. Look how beautiful it is, guys. Look, it will just clear all the liquid here. Because for people who trend like trend lines, they will say here, where I put a first X here, let's say one, let me do like this here. So one here, guys. That's a first net, then second there, which is a second what? A second tape. Then here, they wait here. They say, okay, a third. So on the third, that's what they will say. If market came like exactly what I do here to give a return. If it comes this up, say, oh, we are selling, they start to go down, go down, go down. If they start to go down, the market to play with them, you say, okay, a small reaction, boom, it clear everyone up. Then as we already know that okay, it's gonna do this and do this because we trade what smart man concept. I'm not saying smart man concept is the best. Even trend lines that the best guys, but in for me this one is the best. But in those trend lines that are good as well, because if it's making you money, that's great. But in this for me, this one is making me something. So yes, it's good, guys. Every like each and every strategy, I always say that every strategy is good, guys. So that's what I'm looking at. Like, guys, wait for what? For the reactions to happen. So here we get a small reaction. Then now that's like my analysis on what? On 4 hours. Now I'm gonna go to 15 minutes, then I can see. Me, I'm still looking for buying. If maybe it's so, yes, it's sold, guys, then it is what it is. And for me, this strategy allow me to sell and buy. People they will be buying, but me I can sell. But on those sales, I just have to manage the risk and take small and get off the market small. I won't hold for too long because that's a counter trend, guys. I won't hold. So okay, cool. So for me, let me just leave this analyze the way they are, guys. Go to 15 minutes. So that's our 15-minute take, guys. Here. So what will I do on 15 minutes? So let me just close this one a little bit. Just start to analyze, guys. Same things, same from what I just did to what from weekly. Now I'm on 15 minutes, guys. And that 5 minute, guys, is only I only use it to what? That 5 minutes I only use to refine my zone from 15 minutes. That's what I use it for. Then I can make this one, guys. And this zone is for 15 minutes, guys. The one that I make down here. Yeah, so let me just wrote inside here like M15. So for M15 mean for me it just mean what's that 5 minutes? I put it on it mean 50 minutes, I mean. So that's how it is. Look how guys beautiful. If you have only knowledge, guys, then everything will be simple, guys. Then you don't have to make it complicated because this thing is already complicated on its own, guys. Look how guys made a flip up here. Yeah, I'm still looking for bulls, guys. I don't lie. Still looking for bulls. So let me just check this one. Clown up here. I'm still looking for bulls, guys. So yeah. So it's like this. So let me just mark this supply zone here. Sorry. So let me just remove this lower line and this one here. Yeah, so guys, it's like this now. Sorry. So it's like this here, guys. That's my analysis on 15 minutes. Weekly showing me bullish, daily showing me again bullish, 4 hours. I'm still seeing for liquid up there, so I'm still gonna look for bulls. So the market is like this here, guys. market, what my prediction on 15 minutes here, my highlight too. Market, it can give us something. If let's say it give us a confirmation on this 15-minute here, we'll take boost up to what? To this, so that supply zone here. That's our first prediction. The supply zone. Since we are bullish, I can just hold that where, yeah, if it reaches there, it will be my first TP. Then I'll continue holding till I get what? To that high point. I mark on 4 hours, which I say it's a daily, weekly high point. That's where I'll go till I get to that one. I'm out. But my first TP is going to be that there by marking X. And here, if market get to this way, I put an X here, it give me a good direction. But those direction must be to for me to enter like listen to this one, guys. Here. For me to enter in that trend, because if for 4 hours is showing me that okay, we're about to buy, then 15 minutes it's showing me to sell. So what I will do for myself, market to get to that where I put an X there. I know that okay, market it's wanna buy here, but then I just wanna be naughty and take what a little sell. I'll wait for market to give me a strong choke. By strong choke, I mean it must break what? Two high points. That's a strong choke for me. If you break two high points, then I'm good. Then another thing, it must give me what? Liquid to take and to target as well. All these things, guys. Yes, I think I'll make another video for liquid to take, to target, strong choke. I think, yeah, one day I'll make for everything. So, so let's just say, okay, now you to where I put an X. If you react, I can take a small cell to what? To this, to what? To this demand zone. If it react again on this demand zone, definitely it will react. But where I put an X, it will react market because it's a high point where the move has started. Then it will take me to what? To this demand zone. If it's reacted to this demand, listen to this. If it's reacted to this demand zone, then boom, I'm holding that big trade to what? We break all that high point there, guys. Simple, simple, guys. Simple, simple. That's what I'm looking at my first thing, guys. And another thing, market, you never know. Tomorrow Monday, it can open with a gap. So if it open with a gap, guys, it will open with a gap, then it will break this, that this short point there for sales here. If it breaks it, guys, there, I will look for sales again to at what this 15 minutes here, guys, where I put an X here. This demand 15 minutes. If it will get to that demand there with my sales, guys, I'll if I wait again for reaction, then boom, take those reaction, go out. That one I'll hold it, guys, till I get what to that high point. Simple, guys. So that's what I'm looking at on EURUSD. So it was nice, guys. Yeah, to come and check what's like my bias on EURUSD. Then yeah, that's what I'm looking at, guys. So I think I'll see you the next Sunday, guys. I'll just come and do another analysis. Then we'll see where we are going, guys. So just trade with, be cautious, guys. Then you never know the market, guys. Just use risk management. Then you're good to go, guys. You don't have to be scared of the market, guys. If you only put what's that your risk management in order, then you're good, guys. So peace out, guys.